Tata has finally given its Altroz premium hatchback a major upgrade in the form of an automatic gearbox. Bookings for the car opened earlier this month and it's available in 7 trim levels and with one new color option. This new automatic gearbox finally gives the Altroz a chance to compete among its rivals, something that had been in the development for almost 2 years now. The Tata Altroz Automatic, or as Tata calls it, the Tata Altroz DCT, is available in the XM, XT, XZ and XZ Plus variants, but in the dark trim, you can also have it in the XT and XZ Plus versions. Prices are in the range of Rs 8.10 lakh to Rs 9.90 lakh, introductory ex-showroom Delhi. The automatic versions have been priced Rs 1.07 lakh over the equivalent model version, variant for variant. This introduction also sees a new color option dubbed Opera Blue, and this is available across the range and joins the existing 5 color palette that's already there for the Altroz hatchback. For all the details on the Tata Altroz Automatic, do visit our website carwale.com. Powering the Altroz Automatic is Tata's 1.2-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine that produces 85 bhp and 113 Nm of torque and can be had either with a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed dual clutch automatic, which is the focus of our video today. The 6-speed gearbox in question, says Tata, has been locally developed for the Indian market and includes features like auto park lock, shift by wire technology, machine learning and even something it is called self-healing technology. This tech, Tata says, involves self-diagnosing through hardware and software for longer life and better performance of the gearbox. Tata has also said that this dual clutch gearbox has 35% lesser components than a conventional DCT and also makes use of a wet clutch technology. Now in terms of competition, the Tata Altroz's biggest rivals are of course the Hyundai i20, the Maruti Baleno, the Toyota Glanza as well as the Honda Jazz, all big hatchbacks at the other end of the B segment and all established players to which the Altroz has to take on. First up, the Hyundai i20. The Hyundai i20 is the Altroz's biggest rival in terms of 2-pedal offerings, as it has in its roster a clutchless manual, a CVT and even a 7-speed DCT. Like the Altroz, it too offers the 2-pedal setup from the mid-level sports variant to the top-spec Asta optional version where you only get the 7-speed DCT. The i20's range might be wider, but it also starts at a higher price bracket and tops out much higher if you factor in the N-line versions, which are only available as automatics throughout the range. The i20 range gets more features when compared to the Altroz as you move up the variant tree. Next up on the list for rivals of the Tata Altroz Automatic are the Maruti Baleno and the Toyota Glanza. The Maruti Baleno and the Toyota Glanza recently both got major upgrades, which saw an update in terms of features and design, but a switch to an AMT gearbox as compared to the CVT of the previous car. Though they may be the same car underneath, the Baleno commands a much bigger name as a rival for the Altroz and is in fact the car that led Maruti's resurgence in the segment. Powering the Baleno and the Glanza is a 1.2-litre petrol engine that produces 88 bhp and 113 Nm of torque and can be had either with a 5-speed manual or a 5-speed automated manual. In the Baleno, the AMT gearbox is available from the Delta trim level, while for the Glanza, it is available in the S, G and V trim levels. Here are the prices for the AMT powered versions of the Glanza and the Baleno. And of these two, we have recently driven the updated Baleno and you can find a link to our first drive review in the description below. The Honda Jazz along with the i20 is one of the cars that started the premium hatchback segment for the Indian car market nearly 14 years ago. This current generation of the Jazz was updated in 2020 and is still the largest car in the segment in terms of wheelbase. The automatic option is available from mid-level V trim and has the following prices. It has all the basic features expected of a car in this part of the market and uses a CVT gearbox for a 2-pedal setup. This CVT is mated to Honda's 1.2-litre petrol engine that produces 89 bhp and 110 Nm of torque and can be had either with the 5-speed manual or the CVT that we have just spoken about. Now, here is an important development with regard to the Tata Altroz Automatic. We are going to be driving the car later this week and will be able to give you our first drive impressions on the 30th of March from 9 am onwards. So do stay tuned for that. Also, what do you think of the Tata Altroz Automatic? Do leave your thoughts in the comments below. Before we sign off, here's a little reminder. Are you enjoying the content on our channel? Then do hit those like, share and subscribe buttons. And for all the details on the Tata Altroz Automatic, do visit our website carwale.com. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.